say that we falling off lately. Maybe we just ain't been on the same page. In my mind, I'm done fighting it. In your heart, you keep trying. The truth is not hiding. That's just the way we are. But can't say
the lighting, it's bad. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Linda. If you're new, please to subscribe and join the family, and if you're a returning subscriber, welcome back to another one, baby. It's been 2 months, I think, since I took a break and I work, school, kuninzi sana. But anyways, never mind the light, guys. It's kind of dark. It's kind of dark. But anyways, I have it delivered, and I think it's my books. So let me check. This lighting chart. And let's see, pull up. Yeah. It's my books. Check, guys. I'll talk to you during the day. Today it's
I'm feeling vibes on vibes. I'm freaking dynamite. I blow your candle lights. You know I'm just that type. No, them no fit kill my vibe. Them no fit kill my vibe. No fit kill. Them no fit kill. Them no fit kill my eyes. My set. Full of the
hi everybody.
vibe killer. Me I no go take shit. Vibe killer. I'm feeling vibes on vibes. I'm freaking dynamite. I play your candle lights. You know I'm just that type. No, nothing kill my vibe. Nothing kill my vibe. You nothing kill. You nothing kill. You nothing kill my vibe. I see you watching my stories. I see you getting my lifestyle. I see you watching my.
Hey guys, never mind, this was later. How are you guys doing? I'm sorry I'm doing this intro on my bed, but it's just a lazy day today. It's a Sunday, and to the shops, buy some few things. I wanna clean my system because I feel sick. I feel like I need to. Guys, I have been breaking out. Look at this. Look at this. Even this side. I don't know why. But the pimples are gone now. just left the exports. I don't know what to use because I've been using tissue oil, but it seems like it's slow. So I don't know, can you guys recommend anything that I can use to remove this? Because wow, warnings. But anyways guys, I hope you enjoy this video. Please do subscribe and always come back. Tell you, creating content for your business is not easy. Creating content, it's not easy. Like, I am sweating, it's hot, but I have to post, I have to upload, I have to promote my own business, because if I'm not doing it, who's gonna do it for me? No one. I am so tired. I am so tired. Today it's a Sunday. Remember, I told myself that I'm not gonna do anything, I'm just gonna relax. But no ways, honey. I have to do this. I have to secure the bag. So let me show you what I am busy with right now. This is what I am busy with right now. Here it's sunglasses, shades, whatever you call them, however you call them. And then here it's my lipsticks. I'm also selling a lipstick. Please support my business. The lighting, let me do this here. So yeah guys, these are the orders that I have, so I have to deliver this soon. Now I have to pack this and put them there. At the end of the day, we want this money and we're gonna make it. No maranjani, we're gonna make it. So please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And yeah, because after this I'm just gonna do my self-care and call it a night, honestly, because it's Sunday today. I wanna rest. And then yeah, I'm gonna upload this vlog today, even if it can be 7 o'clock. I'm gonna upload it. So yeah, I'm gonna talk to you guys. No, I'm not gonna talk to you. After this it's gonna be music until I'm done. So thank you so much for joining, for stopping